At River Drive Manufacturing, our specialty is supplying passenger assist straps and stanchion padding for use on city buses, subways, trolleys, commuter trains, and shuttles. Our products are found on public transit vehicles in all major cities in the United States and Canada, and in urban centers throughout the world. We are proud to introduce our Docket 90 compliant thermoplastic passenger assist straps and stanchion padding. Until now, Docket 90 compliant passenger assist straps and stanchion padding were simply not available. In the case of passenger assist straps, decision makers could either choose thermoplastic or webbing products that fell short of the standard, or metal handles which added considerable cost. As for stanchion padding, the pool noodle varieties may not meet the standards. Decision makers face tough choices in deciding whether or not to include this important feature on their vehicles. But what exactly is Docket 90? Docket 90, or Docket 90-A, are recommendations made by the Federal Transit Administration branch of the Department of Transportation. The recommendations relate to flammability and smoke emission characteristics of public transit vehicle materials. The FTA states that the major concerns with materials used in public transit are smoke emission and material behavior during ignition. In Docket 90, material must pass 2 tests in order to be deemed acceptable for use in public transit vehicles. These are ASTM E-162, dealing with flammability, and ASTM E-662, dealing with smoke generation. ASTM E-162 is a testing method for material surface flammability and uses a radiant heat energy source. It is also known as the radiant panel test. The test disqualifies materials that spread flames rapidly and therefore pose a potential danger to passengers and operators. In order to pass this test, the subject material must have a maximum flame spread index of no greater than 35. ASTM E-662 is a testing method for determining the specific optical density of smoke generated by solid materials. Optical density measurements are taken at 2 times into the test, at 1.5 minutes and the second at 4 minutes into the test. To pass the test, the maximum average optical density can be no greater than 100 at 1.5 minutes and no greater than 200 at 4 minutes. The test disqualifies materials that generate too much opaque smoke, which will reduce visibility and therefore make exiting a vehicle more dangerous in an emergency situation. In addition to the Docket 90 standards, the thermoplastic used in River Drive's D90 passenger assist straps and stanchion padding also passes the Bombardier SMP 800C test for toxicity. In this test, gases from the subject material are produced for analysis in a calibrated smoke chamber. The gases are then tested for the presence of toxins such as carbon monoxide, hydrogen chloride, and hydrogen cyanide, among others. In order to pass the test, the toxins cannot be present in levels greater than the specified maximums. Now for the fun part, because seeing is believing. Note how our D90 stanchion padding reacts to an open flame. In this case, no flame spread can be observed and very little smoke is generated. You can see the material begin to glow from the intense heat, and the test is completed with very little degradation of the material. Looks can be deceiving. Beware of other products in the marketplace which may look very similar to River Drive's D90 thermoplastic assist straps. The similarities end when a blowtorch is applied. Note the large flame spread, severe charring, and significant smoke generation by our competitor's product. Similar to our D90 stanchion padding, our D90 assist straps are largely unaffected by the open flame. For more information about the Docket 90 standard and our products, please contact us. Let's discuss your specific needs. Thanks for watching.